You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 80000 over 561. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the fraction. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 6,400 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 25 over 1122. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 80000 over 561.